Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for gifts and novelty items business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here and you can create your website and see templates from here. So let's go with this. Now you can make any template yours with easy. Here you can change your you can choose your type of your business and you can choose your topic. So for example, you can choose online store, memberships, courses, services, and the gifts and the novelty items. Business is not here, so let's create our templates. So you can build your own templates here just to get started. Now let's go. So here you can add your site name. Type any name about the novelty and gifts business, or gifts and novelty items business. Here you can build your home page. You can choose here the intro section, and here you can choose the product section. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose the services section, and also you can choose about section. You can choose the social section and the forms section, and the last is the footer section. So let's continue. Here you can add page to your site. You can here choose the color theme. I'm gonna go with this theme. So let's continue. Here you can choose the font, and let's finish this. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can continue if you want, and also you can skip. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your homepage right now. Here you can edit the views. You can make it like a desktop view like this, or like a mobile view. I'm gonna make it just like a desktop view. Here this is the site styles. You can edit them here. You can first here we have the fonts. So you can edit you can switch the fonts back. You can edit the page size. Here you can edit the headings and the paragraphs and the buttons. You can also reset fonts back. So that's it. Here you can edit the colors. You can customize the themes here. So for example, you can choose any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna go with this. So here you can edit the color theme of the site title, the navigation links, and the section background, the background overlay, the section divider stroke, the inset border, and also here the text, the heading, the paragraph, and the background color, the text highlight. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on now to the animations. So here you can edit the animations. You can set the style, you can set none or fade or scale or slide or clip, whatever you want. Here you can edit the speed, slow or medium or fast. I'm gonna make it medium. So that's it. Now let's move on to the spacing. So here you can edit the page width max. Also here you can edit the size margin, and you can reset the styles to defaults. That's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can edit the primary buttons, the text and the shape and the outline, and also you can apply to all button types, and you can reset button styles. So that's it. Here you can edit the image blocks. You can edit the text alignment and the content width and the title separation, the button separation. So that's it. Now let's close this and let's move on to this. Here you can design and edit your homepage from here. First, here we have the header. So the site header, you can edit it from here. You can edit the site title and the logo. You can add the site title here. You can add the logo image from your library, and here you can add the mobile logo image. Now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on, the button, and you can change the text on the label. You can turn this on, the social links. You can edit the social links. You can edit the social icon size. Also you can turn this on, the language switch. You can turn this on, the cart. You can also change the icon style. You can change the cart icon size, and also you can show 0 in carts. So that's it. Now if you want to add something new on your home page, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page from here, whatever you want. So that's it. Here you can edit the text. You can remove it and you can duplicate it from here. You can delete it from here. If you want to edit it, click here. You can edit the text form. You can edit it from here, whatever you want. So that's it. Also you can edit the label, the button. You can edit the primary. You can duplicate it from here. You can also delete it from here. You can edit the text on it here, and you can add the link. So that's it. If you want to save section, just click here on this heart icon. You can move it down or move it up. You can duplicate it from here, and also you can remove it from here. So that's it. If you want to add an image or add text, just click here. You can add the text or image or video or button, newsletter, whatever you want to add. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here let's delete this section and let's add an image from here. So you can put it here like this. You can select from your library or from free image. So I'm gonna select from here. So gifts and novelty items. So I'm gonna choose this. Just for example, you can choose whatever you want. So this is your home page. This is your picture right now. You can duplicate it from here. You can delete it, and also you can make it larger or smaller, whatever you want. So that's it. Also you can edit the text and the button. So you can add an image or a video on any section you want, any place as you like. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website and your price, and after you choose the way to get paid, now just save this and you can start selling and start your business. So now you can publish your website. That's how to customize the website on Squarespace for gifts and novelty items business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.